What purpose do these news channels serve if all the method of portrayal is tailored towards a home audience thousands of miles away? The second problem is sensationalism. Recent years, online posts, tweets, comments, and articles often attract the highest engagement unless they are controversial or when they're catchy. Simply put, people eventually become fed up or they need to become more extreme to get everyone's attention. And we at the Typewriter hope to reverse this by only publishing articles written by those who are on the ground from their own perspective. Unlike existing news channels, we do not dictate content nor do we take sides. All we do is we provide editorial support to those who want to tell their own story, and we provide a global readership with quality, sensible articles. And all you need to do is to go to our website, tell us your story, and it will be edited, translated, fact-checked, and polished. And with our user-friendly internal management system, editors and writers could track changes and engage with each other and work with each other so that their words would not be misrepresented nor their thoughts be misunderstood. Once it's done, the article will be published and it will appear on our social media feeds and even Google News as well. And currently, our readership just surpassed 5 million, with half of them from the United States. Many of our readers are university graduates or young professionals who are politically savvy. However, we're not only about politics. We've been branching out to fashion blogs, travel blogs, and food blogs, and this gave us a lot of advertising opportunities on top of our general ads. For example, we can partner up with travel sites on our travel blogs, and we can work with universities promoting their MBA programs and doctorate programs to young professionals. Ultimately, the Typewriter brand is about a smarter, brighter, more caring international community, and by empowering individuals to tell the stories themselves, by reducing sensationalism in the media by providing editorial support, and by providing a global readership with articles which are sensible and genuine, we hope to promote a global sense of citizenship amongst this international community of 200 writers, 5 million readers from over 70 countries.